Hello everyone. So in this video again we have a very interesting question for you pertaining to series and recursive series in general. So let's take a look at the question. Let a of 0 equal to 2, a of 1 equal to 5, a of 2 equal to 8. Okay, for n greater than 2 define a n recursively to be the remainder when 4 into a n minus 1 plus a n minus 2 plus a n minus 3 is divided by 11. Find a 2018 into a 2020 into a 2022. Okay, so with that said, let's take a look at this series. So how we can come about solving this question. Okay, so one thing that needs to be kept in mind whenever we are faced with such kind of problems pertaining to any kind of series is that we need to check if the series repeats itself or if there's any kind of pattern for that matter. So any kind of pattern, say suppose let me just try and find out if there are any more terms pertaining to what to say pertaining to defining if there we can arrive at any kind of conclusions in general with taking subsequent number of terms so that we can have a better idea on the same as well. So let's first take a look. It's given that a0 is equal to 2, a1 equal to 5 and a2 equal to 8. Okay, so now let's do one thing. So now define a of n. So let's try to find out a of 3. Okay, so a of 4, a of 3, this will be a of 2 plus a of 1 plus a of 0 mod 11. Okay, which we can further write as 4 into a of 2 being 8 plus 5 plus 2, 8 plus 5 is 13, so it's 15 mod 11. So 60 mod 11, which actually gives us 5. So a of 3 being 5. Similarly, a of 4 would be 4 into 5 plus 8, 5 plus 8 being 13 plus 5, 13 plus 5, 18 mod 11. Okay, similarly we are simply using this particular formula. I'm not writing it again and again, but we are simply using this particular thing. Okay, 11. So it will simply come out to be the remainder being 4, and for this one is 7. So 28, again 28, 22, the remainder comes out to be 6. Okay, so we use simple remainder theorem to find out the remainder as well. Similarly, for a of 5 we get 6 plus 5, 11, 11. Okay, a of 5 will be 4, 3 and 2. 4, 6, 3 we have 5, 11, 11, 19. 4 into 19. Okay, so what we have 11 we have here 8, 8 into 4, 32, 32 minus 1. So remainder will be 10. Okay, similarly for a of 6 what we have here is 4, 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 5, 21 minus 1, that is minus 1 remainder here, and 4. So minus 4, 11 minus 4 being 7. So a of 6 being 7, a of 7 again. Oh, just remember I forgot to write it's mod 11. Okay, I'm just writing it here. 4, so 7 plus 10, 17, 17 plus 3, 17 plus 6, 23, 23 mod 11 would simply give us 23 is plus 1 remainder, 1 and 4, 4 remainder. So a of 7 being 4. Okay, similarly if we take a look at a of 8, so what we have for a of 8 being 4 into 4 plus 7, 11 plus 21 mod 11. A of 8 being 21 is minus 1, minus 1, minus 4, 11 minus 4, again it's a of 8 being 7. A of 9, if I'm looking to find out, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 10, again 21, no, 7 plus 4, 14, no sorry, 18, 7 plus 4 plus 7 is 18 mod 11. So the remainder here being minus 4, minus 4 into 4, minus 16, minus, okay, no, sorry, it's not minus 4, 11. So remainder being here 7, 7 4 is 28, so remainder A of 9 being 6. And similarly, if we find out, A of 10 would come out to be 2, A of 11 would come out to be 5, A of 12 would come out to be 8, and A of 13 would come out to be 5. Okay, so now let me just arrange the same so that you can have a clear visualization as far as the, what to say, the pattern is concerned. Let me just write them down: A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10, A11, A12, A13. Okay, so let me just write down all the values. 2, 5, 8, A4 being A3 being 5, A4 being 6, A5 being 10, A6 being 7, A7 being 4, A8 being 7, A11 being 6, A10 being 2, A11 being 5, A12 being 8, A13 being 5. So 2, 5, 8, 5, 6, 10, 7, 4, 7, 6. Again 2, 5, 8, 5. So A14 if we try to find. So we actually see the process repetition takes place after 10th. Okay. So till 9 the sequence remains, we actually find a sequence, and then from, suppose, let me just figure out A14 as well. So let me just see what we have here so that we can actually confirm the same. A14 being 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 5 being 18, and 4 into 18 being 18 is 7, 7 and 4, 28, 28 being 6. Okay, A4 being 6. So A14, so A14 being 6. Okay, so yes, we can see there's a repetition going on clearly after every 9 term. So now what we were supposed to find was A of 2018 into A of 2020 into A of 2022. Okay, so after every 9 we have a repetition over here. So 20, so if we talk about 2018, okay, so 2018 the closest factor of 9 would be 2018, so 2081 9 10 11 minus 2. So if we have 2016 will be closest factor of 9. So 20 A of 2016 will have 6. So therefore A of 2018 will have 6 plus 2 plus 2. Okay. Okay, sorry. A of 28 is also 4, right? So all we need to do is 4 and 9. So this is divisible by 9 and also this is divisible by 4. So 20, A of 2018 is also divisible by, okay, just give me a second. I might have made some mistake over here. Okay, hang on. So what we need is A of 2018, A of 2020 and A of 2022. Okay, so A of 2018 is 7 to 2020. Okay, sorry, my bad. A of 2018 will be similar as A of 8. So basically, just by repeating the cycle itself, so the 18 term will again come out to be A of 8. So 20 till 20. So this will be similar to A of 8 into A of 10 into A of 22 being A of 2. So in general, what we can have here is that 7 into 10, A of 10 being 2 and A of 2 being 8. In turn would give us 14. 14 is a 112, which is our final answer. Okay, so it was nothing but a recursive series in general, wherein we find out and we saw if there's a pattern or not, and then we try to basically uh, represent the numbers which are given here as in their simple terms in general. So with that said, I believe everything is clear to you. Kindly go through the video again so that you can get a clear understanding on the same. So with that said, we have come to the end of the video and I'm signing off. Thank you so much.